The old rule of changing your air filter every month still applies. However, some systems are designed to go longer than that. I recommend you at least check your air filter every month. If you have a 1-inch filter, like most systems, you need to be careful about buying the expensive air filter at the hardware store that has a whole bunch of pleats. While it does a much better job filtering the air, it also restricts airflow. And if your system wasn't designed for that, you can cause yourself a problem without knowing it.